morning, sir. Name is Dominic Olontayan, BSISM 4th year. So I'm here today to introduce to you the parts and function of this car, and I will start the interior function. So this one is the headlight, helps you see the road at night or in the dark place. And this one is the license plate, shows the car's registration number or for identification. And this one is identificator light, bangs to show the direct letter or right, left or right when turning. Then this one is a windshield, the front glass that protects the driver and passengers from the wind, dust, and debris. Then outside mirror or side mirror lets the driver see the vehicles or objects at the side behind. Then this one is a door handle used to open and close the car door. And then wheel support, so this one is the wheel support, helps the car move and supports the vehicle's weight. And this one is the window, allows you to see outside and can be opened for air. And this one is roof, the top parts of the car that protects passengers from sun and air. And this one is a windshield wiper to remove rain or water, dust, or other debris. Is a hood to protect the engine. Yeah. And this one is a tail light to improve the visibility and signal to other drivers at the back. And this one is a gasoline system to store fuel to tank and hold the gasoline. And this one is a trunk, then back license plate number and back windshield wiper. This one is the radiator, and this one is the engine, and this one is the battery, and this one is the water tank. That's all. And now let's go inside for the interior functions. And this one is a front seat, used to sit comfortable of the driver. And this one is a seat belt to keeps the driver and passenger safe during sudden stop or accident. And this one is a steering wheel used by the driver to control and turn the direction of the car. And this one is a speedometer, shows how fast the car is moving. And this one is the accelerator, gas pedal, makes the car go faster when passed. Then ignition key here at the right side, used to start the car. Then brake, slow down or stop the car. Then gear shift lever, used to change gears. And handbrakes, this one keeps the car from moving when parking. Then rear view mirror lets the driver see the road and vehicles behind the car. Then horn, used to alert or warn others, driver or people on the road. Then this one is the window switch, And this one is a full cap. And this one is the visor. And that's all, sir, and thank you.
Perfect kayo ho. No?
Kuno pa